Hello, here we are today filming. Now today's a very exciting day. Today is the 18th of March, I believe. I'm pretty positive it's the 18th of March. Yes, it is Tuesday the 18th of March, and we're going down to the beach today. We're filming on the beach. We're filming with the horses. So horses are coming on today, and we're getting a drone shot of the horses running across the beach, which is going to be really, really exciting. And then later on, we're planning on doing some film with Chelsea at the yard, so all the horsey scenes as well. So today's a very, very busy day. We've got a lot planned, so get your seatbelts on and let's get started. Should I say rains? Really, rains. So we've gone down to the yard, and we know they're definitely set off because they're not at the yard. Now we're in Morrison's car park now. Mother's just gone into Morrison's, but we're going to go now and we're going to go try and find the horses. So they could be on their way here down the road, or they could actually already be on the beach. So we're going to go have a look and try and find them and then get started filming. And we're all wrapped up with gloves. They're not the same matching gloves, but they'll do. And so we're all ready to film, ready for the beach weather.
Suzanne, do you want my close-up now?
Where can we go from the beach? So here we are at the beach, and the horses are right behind me. Let's see if I can get them in shot. There they are. They're off, and the drone guy is right behind me too. There he is. There he is. And the drone is going out now to go film it. Also, it's very exciting. Look at them, they're off. I'll still get on camera, it'll be right. Now, annoyingly enough, even though I did film it, I didn't get any footage of the drone or the drone man operating the drone. I don't know why, but I've just lost all that footage. But he did a very good job. And then we had a pleasant surprise because another man came along with his racehorse, and he went on the beach and we could film him, which was brilliant. So he also got on shot.
That was funny when I rolled a bit.
So the horses have just come off the beach. A little bit tired now.
So good to each
And then they set off back home. They really are so wonderful, and they're very, very well behaved. They've worked perfectly, and I was really happy with it all. So we've just got all the filming done, and it went wonderful. Everybody was absolutely superb. I'm going to head back to the beach now and see how the drone guy's getting on. But that went brilliant. You couldn't ask for better. I'm thinking, oh, I've got to find this. Oh no, it's rock. Stop, I've got to keep flapping my wings. Careful now. So somebody's lost the vehicle.
We found it. If you know it, come and claim it.
Yeah, come on, claim it.
We think it might still be drivable. We don't know.
Can you get right down to that?
Slight water damage.
Yeah, just a little bit. You might need to do a bit of work on it.
That's really good.
So I have posted the full video of what the drone got of the footage of this vehicle. So just go onto my YouTube channel, and you can, which you're already on, and go have a look down and you'll find the full video there. Right, now we're off to do some horse riding. No, we're not actually doing any horse riding today, sadly. We've no wish reward, but we're not. We're just doing loads of petting. So we're going into the horse riding place now. And we're all horse riding up. So there's also a doggy here, which we really, really like, and we keep bringing him treats. He's got some treats today, so we're gonna bring him some treats. Hi. So we got him some treats. He took his treat away. Hello. Oh, I'm gonna have to give everybody else one treat. Mama. Yeah. After giving him his treats, I went and got Midnight to bring her out to give her a good brush. Right, so we've got Midnight out, and she's all ready for her starring role. And she's looking lovely today, aren't you, love? Yes, you are. And then I brought Ginger out, and one day I would like to ride Ginger actually as well, but she's a wonderful horse too. Just getting a bit of lessons today.
If you tie like that,
Yeah.
and you put that through, they can't undo it, right? But if it pulls back, it'll tighten that, and say it was choking or something, that'd tighten, and you might not be able to undo it. So if you do it like that, yeah, and then through again, and then through again, like that, and then put the end through, then if she pulls back, she can't tighten that end. So then you can just undo that and release her if there was an emergency. So
Can I try and tie it?
So a lot of people will just do that
Yeah.
and put, because if you just do that, she could pull it through and get loose and put it through once, but don't put it through a few times, and then she can never tighten it. So say she fell on the floor, went mad or something, and started choking herself, she can never do it. She can never and then so that they can't get the foot through it or anything like that, put it back through a bit like that,
And then tie it up
then back through. What try, Ginger?
So just move Ginger further up because we're having a conversation inside the film and we need them both near each other. But they don't actually fully get on, so they didn't want them to have a little argument. But they seem okay at the moment. Me and Chelsea started doing our talking scene where we were brushing the ponies and having a very good gossip. Then when you're doing the scenes, you have to do some scenes where you like react to the other person of what they've said without them saying it. So it's a bit weird because it's a bit funny. You're just sort of looking into thin air and reacting to something. There's a hole.
Don't fall down the hole. So this is scene, what scene's this? 10 I think it is, something like
This
that.
is the
Anyway.
first scene.
Oh, is it the first?
Well, apart from there's one scene before that, but it's sort of a dream scene. This is the first scene.
Alright, this is the first scene and Matilda is asleep. For half an hour of the film, so it's been really easy to film.
Katie! Katie? Katie, are you awake? So we're all finished. We've finished filming today. It's been a really good day. We've got 2 scenes done. We've still got 2 other scenes to do here, so we'll be coming back. So I'll obviously film that. So yeah, it all went really, really well. I was really happy with it, and it was a wonderful day being with the horses, and the weather was great. I really enjoyed it. And so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you all later. Bye.